Sorry, 23 is correct. Excellent. Slope we have to find. That is correct. 32. You can rationalize it. I think you have to multiply this by root 3 or root 3, right? So then we got root 3 or root 3 times root 3 is 3 and 2 times 3. Rationalize in denominator. So it's root 3 or 6. Okay? So this way we have to express it. Got it?
Yeah.
Yes, I think this is done. Okay, I'm moving to the next. $50. 48 or 47 you haven't done?
47.
Yeah.
I didn't know how to do it.
Okay,
I don't think we went over this.
And 32 is done, right? Okay. 47,
Yeah.
I'm going to explain, no problem. So I'm here to, uplift you in your academic thing, right? That is my main intention, right? To getting a good score in exams. That is our next part, right? Okay. So here we have to what is function. What is question is determining a differentiable function in the exercise. Find dy or dx implicitly and find the largest interval of the form negative a less than y less than a or a is less than y less than a such that y is a differentiable function of x and write dy or dx as a function of x. Okay, for 47 I'm trying for this, so we have tangent y equals x. Okay, differentiating both. So what is expecting from you? At least you can try that one first step. Yeah, can you do it on paper and tell me what you got for y prime or dy or dx? Can you try? Do you know how to do the implicitly differentiate by using the chain rule and Palmer rule for this part?
So why?
You
I'm
want to
pretty
do
sure
that?
you have to don't you have to
First thing is differentiating both the side by
isn't it for product rule? Didn't you do secant square x times y and then plus 0 or something times secant and x?
no, I'm going to explain it. D or dx of tangent of y equals d or dx of x, taking the derivatives of both sides, applying the rule which is the tan rule and chain rule. So here we have differentiating this. So what is the differentiation? Derivatives of a tangent x. What is derivatives of tangent x?
1.
What is the derivatives
Oh,
of tan
secant
x?
square x.
Yes, excellent.
Secant.
Yeah, so we can write secant squared y prime, right? Or dy or dx, which is the same. Derivative of the x, which is 1, right? So we can write d or dx of x, right? So this is 1 we have. This is as it is secant square y prime, which is equal to 1. Or we have to find the derivatives. So y prime, which is equal to 1, dividing both the side by secant square y. So we got 1 or secant square y. Got it?
Okay.
What I'm expecting from you is this. At least you can try up to this point. Why not? You are not doing, you know everything. So at least you can get, instead of this, if for the 4 mark, at least you can get 2 mark, isn't it? By doing something you already know it. Okay? Don't
Okay.
just keep it. Instead try something whatever you have, right? On that basis you can try. That is my actually the intention for you to do that. Now we have to rewrite the results using the trigonometric identities. So we can write secant square y, which is equal to 1 plus tan square y. What we did is rewriting the results. We have this. So rewriting the results in a trigonometric identities. So we can write y prime, which is equal to 1 or 1 plus tan square y, right? What I did is results is this, right? Secant square y. So secant square y, I can use this identities. Understood?
Yeah.
Now finally we write the results in term of x. Now finally we have to write in term of results in term of x. So we can write x equals tan y, right? So y prime is equal to 1 or 1 plus x squared. So since we have since tan y, tangent of y, which is equal to x, and y must be restricted. So y belong to negative pi over 2, comma pi over 2, or x belong to the real r, because tangent of y is undefined for y equals plus minus pi over 2. Got it? So this is the results for the 47. Got it?
Okay. Yeah.
Now next question. 52, right?
I think 50.
50, okay.
50.
Okay. 50. You are sincere, you are hardworking, little efforts. Don't get haphazard, don't get just not giving up. You have everything, right? So on that basis, you can just you can open and you can just what we call
Yeah.
stand, right? Stand tall. Okay, like that. I want you to do that. Okay, so next is find the derivatives, the second derivatives, right? Second derivatives you got. First derivative, what you got? Mm, x square plus y square equal to 4. So first derivative is 4 minus 2x y over x square you got. First derivative, this is the first derivative.
Yeah. I think so.
Can you redo it?
4 minus. Okay.
Do it on paper. Something, I think 50. You're copying wrong or something. No. x square y minus 4x. Yeah, you're copying correct. Redo it. Answer is not this. You can try once. If you're still getting dy this, and then I will help you. If you are getting the right answer, then we can move. That will be good. Are you trying it?
Yeah.
If you stuck it, just let me know.
Okay.
For the 50, we have x square. Now we can see that there are the product rule, right? We have used it because two functions are there. So x square y minus 4x equals 5. So we have to first simplifying it, adding both the side by 4x. So then we got x square y equals 5 plus 4x. Okay, rewriting it. And then dividing both the side by 4x square. Dividing both the side by x square. Then I got y equals 5x to the power negative 2 plus 4x to the power negative 1. Okay, for the first case, I adding both the side by plus 4x. So this get cancelled out. And then dividing both the side by x squared, so I can get y, right? Now differentiate using the power rule. Okay, differentiate by using the power rule. So dy or dx equals negative 10 x to the power negative 3 negative 4 x to the power negative 2. Now can you find second derivative? Understood? This is very easy.
So find the derivative of negative 10x to the
Yes,
power negative 3
yes.
minus 4.
X to the power
Okay.
minus 2. Yes. Negative 10 times negative 3, which is 30x to the power minus 4
And
plus,
then you have to put it,
yes,
don't you have to put that in the denominator? 30 by x to the power 4.
yeah, it's 4, right?
Yeah.
That is the derivative, second derivative. Understood? This is for the 50. Now 56, isn't it? 56. I'm uploading here. 56. Now for the 56. You are to again, I think it's going to work. Root 10 or root 10. So we got root 10 or 10 times 10, 100 or 10 times 10.
Oh, I see.
But still answer is not correct. You are doing up to this steps are correct. Can you just check last step? Your final answer. Checking your 56, please. Final answer is not correct. This is root 5 over 5.
Root 5 over 5.
2 times root 5 over 5 in the bracket. 2 represents is 2 square plus 1 square. Oh, I think this up to this step is correct. This step is correct. Only the final answer is not correct. I'm going to explain this. So this is after simplifications we got. This is not the case. Okay. So we got 1 over 10 times root 5. That is the correct answer. Understood? This is after that. Okay. Now 57. You did try 57, right?
I did.
Okay, good.
It's on the bottom.
Yes, whatever. So 57. What is the final answer you got for the 57? Perpendicular. X square plus y square equals 25, and the points are 4 comma 3 and negative 3 comma 4. So derivative is what you got? 2x plus 2y into dy or dx equal to 0. Yeah, that's correct. After that, it is not complete, I think. So perpendicular y 3 or 4. Mhm. Can you redo the question?
Redo the question.
Yes.
Okay.
So what is this, y or v? Y, right?
Yeah.
Y equals 3 or 4x plus 25 or 4, right? Y equals 3 or 4x plus 25 or 4. Now for using the point, you are taking negative 3 comma 4. Now what is getting the normal? This is the tangent one, right? This is the tangent. And what is the normal one? Same point normal.
Negative 4 over 3x plus 25 over 3, I think. No, plus
No,
24.
normal is different. Normal and tangent different, right? The slope will be different. So there are the two slopes. Like for the normal slope, what you got? 3 or 4 is the normal one.
Yeah.
Slope for the normal will this. And what is the tangent one then? Normal first, normal second. Needed slope for the normal too. Okay, so normal at, suppose we have taken P1 is tangent of P1, which is negative reciprocal of gradient of P1, which is 3 or 4 we have. So for needed slope for P2, so TP2 equal to negative of MP2 and which is negative 4 over 3, negative reciprocal of this, right? So based on this, am I adding? So for the slope, we are getting for the tangent equation, so at 4 comma 3, so y minus 3 or x minus 3, x minus 4 equals negative 4 over 3. So y minus 3 equals negative 4 over 3x plus 16 over 3, and then y equals negative 4 over 3x plus 25 over 3. Okay, so similarly, getting the normal equation, that is, I think you correct normal equations you got at 4 comma 3, y minus 3 or x minus 4 equals to 3 over 4, and y minus 3 equals to 3 over 4x minus 3, and y equals 3 over 4x. Okay, now getting the tangent equations, this is normal equation, tangent one, tangent equations at negative 3 comma 4. So y minus 4 or x minus negative 3, which is 3 over 4. So y minus 4 equals to 3 over 4x plus 9 over 4. So y equals 3 over 4x plus 25 over 4. Got it?
Yeah,
And normal, getting the normal equation at negative 3 comma 4. So y minus 4 or x minus minus 3 equals to negative 4 over 3. So y minus 4 equals negative 4 over 3x minus 4. So y equals negative 4 over 3x. Got it? And we
yeah,
can
got it.
draw and graphing calculator. So this is the thing we got. Okay, got it.
Yeah, got it.
This is not done, right? So still you want to
Yeah,
try? Find the point at which the graph of the equation has a vertical and or horizontal tangent line. You want to try for 61?
sure.
Sixty-one. In exercise, you have to find the point at which the graph of the equation has a vertical or horizontal tangent line. So we have 25 x squared plus 16y squared plus 200x minus 16y and y plus 400 equals 0. Since we need to find the point where the tangent to the curve is vertical or horizontal, we need to find the slope of the tangent at any point. When you solve for this m, which is equal to 0 for x comma y, to find the point where the curve has an horizontal tangent, and we have to solve m, which is for undefined, for x comma y, to find the point where the curve has a vertical tangent. So the slope of the tangent at any point is equal to the differentiation values at the point. Hence, we can calculating the differentiation implicit as follows. So, can you differentiate implicitly this equation? Means d over dx of 25x squared plus 16y squared 200x minus 160y plus 400, and which is equal to d over dx of 0, right? Can you do that?
Derivative?
Yes, implicitly.
Sure.
So it'd be 50x plus 32, yeah, 32y y prime plus 200 minus 160
X
y
prime, right?
prime equal to 0, right?
Yeah.
Or we can write 16y minus 80 y prime plus 25 plus 100 equals to 0. Now we have to solve for the y prime. Do it in the next page. So we have to solve for y prime, which is, so I can rewriting once again here so you are not getting any confusion. So we have 16y minus 80 times y prime equals, plus 25x plus 100 equals 0, and y prime, right? So this will be on this side will be the values. So here it is b plus, we are getting here minus and again dividing. So y prime, I can write here y prime, which is equal to 25x plus 100 over 80 minus 16y, or I can write again simplify. So I got 25x plus 4 equals over 165 minus 5. Hence the curve has an tangent y prime, which is equal to 0, approaches x, which is equal to negative 4. The vertical ones are y prime is undefined, which is y equals to 5. Now to get needed point, so we got an x and y in the curve. So the point where the curve horizontal tangent. So we putting x equals negative 4 in the curve equation. So 25 square plus 16y square plus 200 times negative 4 minus 16y plus 400 equals 0. So 25 plus y square minus 50 minus 10y plus 25 equals to 0. So y square minus 10y equals to 0. Y times y minus 10 equals to 0. Y equals to 0 or y equals to 10. Hence the curve has horizontal tangent at negative 4 comma 0 and negative 4 comma 10. So the point where the curve vertical tangent, so we putting y equals to 5 in the curve equation. So 25 x squared plus 16 5 squared, that's right, so plus 200 x minus 60 160 times 5 plus 400
Okay.
equals 0, and we divide each of the side equation by 25 and we got x squared plus 16 plus 8x minus 32 plus 16 equals 0, or x squared plus 8x equals 0, or factor out x, so the x plus 8 equals 0, and from that we got x equals 0 or x equals negative 8. Hence the vertical tangent at negative 8 comma 5 and 0 comma 5. Okay, got it? Horizontal we already find negative 4 comma this one, horizontal tangent we got this, and the vertical tangent got this. Understood?
Yeah.
These are some word sums. Okay, let's do the next part, 2.6.